up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season so far. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and I hope you've had lots of wonderful moments with your family. I know that I have. So we are back again today for day 6 of Vlogmas. We're halfway there with my 12 days of beauty from Target Beauty. And so today in our magic box full of surprises, we're going to be going into day number 6, which is right there. I am going to put it down and break in to this little panel and we're going to see what's behind door number 6 today. All right, another brand that I've never heard of. This is Native Body Wash and it is coconut and vanilla, sulfate free, paraben free. It's 3 ounces, so a good size. And let me give her a sniff. You know I'm going to. I'm probably going to end up with it up my nose. Very vanilla and coconutty. Imagine that, coconut and vanilla, smelling vanilla coconutty. But it smells very nice. And so yeah, a 3-ounce bottle. That's for me. I'm a body wash overuser, so this is like two uses for me, probably 5 for a regular person who uses a regular amount, but that's not me. So I'm excited to try it. Like I said, we don't have Target nearby, so everything so far has been a brand or product that I have not tried. So this is exciting. I'm going to have a lot of new products to try. Maybe I'll find a holy grail in this magic little box of doors. It's just fun, isn't it? Aren't advent calendars just fun anyway? They are to me. I enjoy it. So thank you so much for joining me for day number 6 of Vlogmas. I appreciate it so much. So far, I think I've kept everything straight. I'm halfway done. And so I'm super impressed with myself, and you should be super impressed with me too. I'm just saying. So if you have not seen all the other videos, days 1 through 5, then I will link the playlist up there and down there. So go check out what I got in the other days of the 12 days of beauty. But for today, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless and happy Vlogmas. Bye guys.